Frames for learning. We have been looking at how a reflective practitioner frames concepts and understandings in order to produce a framework for professional learning. And what is important for the reflective practitioner is to be able to reframe concepts and ideas in order to benefit, to learn from reflective practice. And reframing is a four-step process, and we can look at these 4 steps diagrammatically in order to understand them. In order to reframe our concepts and ideas, we first of all need to determine the core beliefs that we have about a particular topic, about our experiences, about our approach to teaching, and our beliefs about learning. This is the starting point, but should not be considered as at all superficial. This is perhaps the most significant step for the reflective practitioner to take. It is significant because it is perhaps the most difficult to do. To determine your core beliefs takes a certain degree of honesty and enlightenment in order to look at your beliefs correctly, accurately, and to be able to understand where those core beliefs come from. So the first step is to determine what your core beliefs are about teaching, about learning, about education, about your role, your professional role within this environment. Once you've taken that first step, the next thing to do is to look at your supporting beliefs. Supporting beliefs are those which underpin your core beliefs. They are, if you like, the foundation stones for the core belief that you hold. There could be 2, there could be 3, there could be 4, there could be any number of supporting beliefs. And what you need to do as a reflective practitioner is begin to catalogue these, to list these, to be able to map them so that you can clearly see how they support the core belief. So the first 2 steps are complementary here. We have the core belief and the supporting belief. From this, you need to take the third step. The third step is where you begin to question your core belief and your supporting beliefs. What you want to do is, quite simply, look at the other side of the coin, find opposites to your beliefs, to your supporting beliefs. This process will help you question your core beliefs in order to validate them or to begin to reframe them. So step 3 is the beginning of reframing the belief system. And then you go to step 4. Step 4 is where you begin to reframe the core belief, and this will be based on new supporting beliefs which you have developed from the questioning process. So step 4 is where the concepts will be looked at differently and understood differently by the reflective practitioner. So we have a 4-step process. Step 1, where you are actually just looking internally at your belief system. And step 2, where you're looking at the support system for that. And it's step 3 and 4, where you are beginning the process of reframing. Step 3 is a questioning process. And step 4 is the actual production of the new frame for your reflective practice. So what this means is that the process of reframing is essentially about uncovering and discovering assumptions and beliefs about the professional role. And what we are always doing with reframing our ideas and our concepts is looking to generate new ideas and to stimulate creativity as reflective practitioners.